Team, hope you're all having a good time. These are my results for this week. We started on the 15th, which is Monday, and yeah, so far I banked around 96 grand. The key, guys, the key is to keep your losses small and to let good trades run and squeeze them as far as you can. Like my baddest trade was 6,500 this week, and the best was 30 grand, and I got one with 19 and 15, 30, 11. This is really the key, guys. Keep your losses small and let good trades run. It's easier said than done, I know, because we as human beings we tend to close things when they are running in profit, and we get nervous when we have to hold a trade. We get nervous. We are scared that the profits could go away, and that's why we are most of the time not able to hold good trades and close them too early. But on the other hand, if we have a losing trade, then many times it happens that we want to hold on to that thing because we don't want to get the loss, and then we hope that it will turn around, and yeah, it's not good. So for this year, I started in January on the 17th. I'm up 700,33, and I still got some running in ducks. My worst trade for this period was 35,000. Let's check. The best one was 86,000. So yeah, and I got multiple trades that are bigger than my worst loss, as you can see. These are all trades that are bigger than my worst loss. So this is what keeps me in the game, really, guys. That's the key. Yeah, you gotta manage the emotional side of trading if you want to become profitable. And yeah, everything is possible. Like, look, I don't even have a 50% accuracy, but I'm able to hold good trades for longer than for a longer period than the losers. So I cut losses quick and let the good trades run. And this is how we make some money, guys. Yeah, that's how it is. Enjoy your day. If you need some help, just drop me a message, but have some patience. There are a lot of people who want to talk to me, but anyways, I'm going to answer all your chats personally, guys. Yeah, enjoy your weekend, guys. Enjoy your weekend.